Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete Terabox account permanently. Right, so if you want to do this, first of all you have to open your Terabox mobile account here, and once you open it you have to access your profile setting. So on the top left side corner, this is here, and this is our profile settings here, and here you have to navigate through the settings. So here if you see, there's a settings option. Now once you go to the settings option, go to the setting center here, which is here, just tap on it, and here you will get this option of delete an account. So you must be logged in into that account which you want to delete, and once you click here you will get this option of account cancellation. So here what it says that risk of deleting an account, you will be unable to log in if your account is deleted. That's what we know, right? Here you have to paste the reason or write the reason why you want to delete it. So I will just write here, delete, be aware of the risk, and here you have to just tap on account cancellation. And once you does this, you have to enter your password. So let's say I will just go and click on here. I'm sure I want to delete this account. Now a new page will be loaded, same thing here, and as you can see that let me just show you one here, they will ask your account password, and this is terms and agreement here, which you have go to the bottom and you can just read it up. And as you can see here, my account has been deleted. The reason that Terabox didn't ask my account, because I just logged in, and that's why they didn't ask me the password. In your case, it could be they could ask you the password. So here, this is how you can delete it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.